Hey guys, so I am on my way to the Central Oregon Winter Bushcraft meetup. Gonna be camping all weekend in this crap. It's gonna be awesome. Sean Squatch PNW is gonna be there. Rimrock Outdoors is gonna be there. Coyote Works is gonna be there. Central Oregon Survival Network is gonna be there. Primal Outdoors is gonna be there. We're gonna have an awesome freaking time. So here's a quick update. I'm about 3/4 of a mile from the campsite, and I'm waiting for Bill, Sean, and Nicholas to get here to get me unstuck. Problem with driving in this snow is it covers like all these mud holes, and I hit a deep nasty one, so they should be here soon and get me pulled out of this shit and we can go get camp set up. Alright guys, so you might recognize that vehicle in front of me. That's Jason from Primal Outdoors. He's using his brand new recovery kit to get me out of this shit. What a way to meet, right? Oh! Lost the strap. Almost there. Woo! Oh. Yeah, it's a little cold, if you couldn't tell by the beard.
Yeah, that's coming along nicely. Slow it down just a bit. Billy, where you at? Oh, shit! What the fuck are you shooting? 3.5-inch double lock. That's a change up right there. What?
Ready to go. Your snowshoes. Let's see how far we can go.
I got a video. actually just like loaf bread dough. So it's just basically dough. It tastes pretty good. You know, add a little bit of the chapstick butter. Gotta figure out a name for that. Some catchy name. It's not as good as the butter biscuits, but if you add the chapstick butter, it's done 2 or 3 in the bag. That's been as good as what Bruce brought.
God, that Panics that Bruce made was good.
And he pre-mixed it? Yeah.
Alright, we are on our way out of here. Had a great fucking weekend. Didn't get a whole lot of filming done, unfortunately, just because we were just having too much fun. But it was a blast. All these guys are great guys. If you don't already subscribe to them, check them out.
Hi, I'm Casey. You may know me from the world famous YouTube channel Coyote Works. But what you may not know is as much as I enjoy bushcraft and survival, I also enjoy Don Poncho's crunchy tortilla chips. They're delicious.